In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to invite friends in Minecraft Mobile without signing in. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm not signed into a Minecraft or Microsoft account, and I'll be showing you how to play multiplayer in Minecraft Pocket Edition without being signed in. What you have to do is you and your friend need to be on the same network or Wi-Fi. This is the only available method to play multiplayer without signing in. So both of you need to be together in real life and connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once you ensure that both of you are on the same Wi-Fi network, you can join any world that you want to play with them, and after you load in, all you have to do is pause the game and invite them using the menu that can be found at the right side of the screen. So pause the game, and as you can see here at the right side of the screen where it says My World, I would be able to just click Invite to Game and they should be listed under here. This is the only method to play without signing into a Microsoft account. I hope I was able to help you on how to invite friends in Minecraft Mobile without signing in. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.